So, the Go2 from Insta360. They actually just launched a 64GB version of their Go2 and some other really cool accessories that we're gonna check out in today's video. Also, I'm giving away a Go2 to one of you lucky viewers. More on that later on in the video. But seriously, I know on this channel I'm kind of like the GoPro guy, but you know what? GoPros aren't for everyone.
Let him speak!
No, he's crazy!
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and it's Thursday. So here it is, the Go2 64GB version. In my opinion, the Go2 is the perfect family holiday camera, also perfect for those young ones to help them develop their passion for video production, especially because of the easy editing capabilities on their app. For me, it works perfectly as a tiny secondary camera for that behind the scenes content and getting those impossible shots that require something this small. Now, it is identical to the 32GB version, except for twice the storage space, and the price is only a $30 difference. I have a whole review out about the Go2, using a Go2. It's really cool, and I tell you all about it. So do check that out if you're interested. Links are all gonna be down in the description, plus a surprise link, so yeah. And they also have some really cool accessories that I wanna share with you, and that warrants a little extra time, so. Easy. So this one is new. This is their USB power mount. And what it does is it magnetically holds your Insta360 Go2 right inside of it, and then you can plug it in via USB-C, maybe to a power bank or a wall plug or a car charger, and it will keep it charging while recording. And this is an awesome idea because before you had something like this, you would actually have to keep it in the case if you wanted to, you know, have that extra battery. So that's really cool, and it only comes in at $20. I also have here their mount adapter bundle, and in this bundle you get an action mount adapter which holds your Go2 tightly in place when you screw it in, which I recommend if you're doing anything more aggressive and you're worried about it maybe falling out due to the magnet or something like that. This isn't going anywhere. But in this bundle, you also get a magnetic action mount. So your Go2 sits in here and you put this on any other kind of mount. And then you have another magnetic one with a screw mount and adjustable ball head. That way you can angle it around to get different shots. This also includes a curved base for things like helmets and a flat base, thumb screws, and extra 3M adhesives for those bases. And yes, after using the Go2 for a while, these mounts do come in very handy. I also have their selfie stick, and I gotta say, this is really lightweight, but feels solid, and it extends out very far. And it's nice because you just have to pull on it, and it stays in place. And it also has a screw thread on the bottom so that you can mount it to a tripod or to another extension pole. And at the moment of recording this, there is a holiday sale going on, but you can check out the links down below for the most updated price. But right now you can get the 64GB version and all these accessories for $365 US. They also have a Minions version coming out soon, which looks really cool. And for $8 more, you can get your own custom skin. And they also have a lot of other really great accessories you can find on their site. And I think that this is an awesome little camera that has a really good price point and ticks all the boxes when you just want to live in the moment and capture the moment without having to live behind the camera. Now, as far as the giveaway, I actually did a video a little while ago about the Action 2 versus the Go2, and I said if you want to win this, you have to leave a comment letting me know your favorite movie sequel, because, you know, the Action 2 and the Go2, they're sequels. Now, that's one way to enter. Another is to leave a comment down below this video and just let me know why you would want this and what you would use it for. And on Christmas Eve, I'm gonna do a massive live stream, and we're gonna announce the winner for that on there. And yeah, you do have to be watching live to claim the prize, unless you're a member for $1, and then I will contact you if I draw your name. Or you can just ding the bell to this channel and you get a notification when I go live, but you don't want to miss out on that. All right, that's it for another 30-second Thursday on this channel. Thank you again, Insta360, for sending me this Go2 64GB version. That's really cool. I have a lot of other awesome reviews to get to and cool videos to make on this channel. Do check out the other stuff that's on this screen, and I'll see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.